Sorry about my dad in the background. He's talking about baseball.
At least get a shot or
I'm going to grab two bowls to
me.
put the popcorn in once it's done.
I think
And I'm
you're
getting
right.
two
Some
big
of
bowls
those
so I can put the
Rangers
whole thing in.
were really all that good.
The green will be the
two
hot
kids
one.
that play on two teams.
And the blue
They're
will be
both
the
pretty
cold
good.
And I'll remember it because one was
Tommy
like ice and
and
stuff.
JT.
Whoops.
Mm.
Oh, these pictures in. So let me grab the cold popcorn.
Oh, jeez. There was a play,
really
now that
hard.
you mention it, when we played the Boys and Girls Blue.
Because like this is like
there was a
soft,
play
you
where
can feel the kernels, you can't really feel the kernels.
He made a wide turn around third.
And I hope this doesn't mess up
We
the
ended up, the catcher ran him down and tagged him out before he could get back to the base. And his coach, who I think one of
That's
the
a good
coaches
idea.
his dad,
So
said,
he was like,
I
you could
told you to get back.
hear
You
it.
probably have to talk
And
a little
so-
bit louder.
You could hear it.
Came over to the bench, he sat on the bench and he started
Yeah, it's
crying
hot.
and he said, I'm not
So
going
just bring
back
this in
out,
the
I'm not
microwave
going to
and I'm
play
hitting
anymore. Meantime,
popcorn,
they only had 7 kids
which
there. 7 or maybe it was 8.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
And so,
Right, I mean, you can't see now, but it takes 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm just
I
gonna
got a
get this
taste
one
of,
ready.
some of the kids a little bit more emotional than others.
Sorry, my dad's on the phone. So this one I can actually like feel the kernels. You can see I can bend it. Doesn't have as much of a noise. Look, the butter's going through it. I popped it. Oh, it's soft. Okay. I'm gonna sit on my butter so it gets gum, so I can try it. It's almost ready. So I'm gonna taste it, and I'm going to see like how many kernels are left. If there's a lot. And if you're wondering, I found this idea on a website because I couldn't think of a project, and I looked up like fast, easy, fun 5th grade science projects, and I came up with this.
Right, that's good, that's good.
You can pause it.
You don't even.
What? Oh, there's a pop.
So it
So it's
started
starting
popping at what time?
like 1:14. It starts popping at 1:14. Like 1:14, 1:15, and we'll compare that to that. It's sizzling.
Yeah, but that's good, that's good.
I don't want the microwave to explode.
Do you want me to pause it?
Right.
No.
While it pops?
That's okay. Because there's only 45 seconds
Tommy's
left.
more athletic, yeah.
Well, let's pause it for a minute so you don't use up too much.
Okay, so it's all done.
That's my new best buddy.
It's like
Sorry.
flat. It's not like puffy. It's really hot though. It's like burning. It's flat. It's not like fully puffed up. And I'll show you what the other one looks like. Because I have popcorn a lot and I know what it looks like whenever it's puffy. Okay, it looks good. I saw one kernel. Make sure I get all of it out so I can definitely count the kernels. Okay, there's nothing left.
That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, it looks good.
Was that the frozen one or the room temperature one?
Frozen.
Oh. That's surprising.
Daddy. So I'm going to try it. It's kind of mushy. It's not crunchy. Not very crunchy.
I'm going to try a piece of that.
It has some crunch to it.
Hmm.
And I only saw about 4.
Not crunchy. It looks better than it tastes. Definitely.
Yeah. It's...
So,
Almost tastes sort of stale.
Yeah, and there's
Like
not much of a
stale
buttery flavor. It's stale. And I only saw about like 4 or 5 kernels.
yeah,
The
they almost all
cornels.
popped.
Whatever.
It
Yeah.
pops better, but it doesn't taste
Yeah,
as
there's
good.
a half pop kernel. I love those. Those are my favorite.
So you're going to do the room temperature one next?
Pause it. Or go ahead and put it in and we'll pause
Okay, so this is the room temperature one. I can actually feel around like the kernels aren't frozen. Okay. And it's like buttery. I think there may be a hole in it. Oh well. So I'm just hitting popcorn again and start. And we're gonna wait so we can see what time it starts popping. Like, and it doesn't have like a buttery flavor, this one.
Why don't you pause it for the 2.5
No, we
minutes?
can see, we want to see whenever
We're
it
comparing
starts
when it starts to pop.
pop.
Oh,
So the other one started popping around like a minute 15 seconds
Remaining.
remaining, yes. See, here's an odd popcorn. That's from the cold one. Okay, so I'm not hearing anything yet. It's silence and suspense waiting for the first pop. I hear it sizzling. There's the first pop at 1:33.
So it didn't take
when was
as
the
long
first
to
pop
heat.
of the other one?
Like 1:15. This is like 15 seconds earlier.
So the
from the way.
frozen one popped sooner?
Later.
Oh,
It was at 1:14 remaining.
Remaining. Time
Oh.
remaining.
okay.
Just now is when the first bag had started.
Yeah. So that was with, it started popping at 1 minute 33 seconds remaining out of the 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's around, like, it started popping around 1 minute, and the other one started popping around 1 minute 15 seconds.
So,
Hi, sorry. So here is the regular popcorn. You can see it's much fuller and puffier. Here, try to hold this. Sorry, you can eat it. It's fuller, puffier. It smells better. Let's see how it tastes. I saw one kernel, two, three.
There's one.
4. Six. Wait. I want to count it. Like, yeah, so about 6 kernels, and there were like 4 or 5 in there. So it's about the same amount of kernels. There's not a big difference. It's probably just, you know.
Oh, good.
Is this one like crunchier?
It's
Really?
actually a little
Yeah.
softer.
It has more flavor.
Yeah, that's true.
It tastes about the same.
Yeah.
Why don't we try both at the same time?
No. Here, Wesley.
No.
I actually think I like the colder one better.
so the
I think this one's
popcorn just
softer.
wasn't that
Yeah.
good to begin with?
It could be that it's been here for a while.
Well, assuming that it's normal.
I don't know. I think the room temperature one might be better.
The room temperature one has more flavor because it had more time to pop up, and the butter that was already mixed in had more time to get all around. But this one didn't have enough time for the butter to get all around, and you can tell it was like kind of like indented. It wasn't like fully puffy. And I mean, this one has more kernels, but I mean, it's not that much. It's by one more. It's pretty good, and so I think the reason that it changed, that like it's like not less flavor, again, is because it didn't have enough time to mix around and fully like pop. So I guess that is my science project for, wait, is that May? Bye.